Let's welcome you to the top 3 most futuristic motorhomes on the planet, a collection of rolling luxury marvels that push design, engineering, and imagination far beyond traditional RVs. Welcome to luxury without limits. At number 3, we begin with a motorhome that feels less like a recreational vehicle and more like a precision-built command unit. This Mercedes-Benz inspired luxury motorhome makes its presence known instantly. The deep matte green exterior, sharp armored edges, and heavy multi-axle stance give it the aura of something engineered for elite missions, not weekend getaways. Even the way it sits on the floor, wide, planted, confident, tells you this is built to move through the world with authority, whether that world is polished city roads, open highways, or harsh terrain where ordinary motorhomes simply don't belong. Step inside, and the interior tells a very deliberate story. Everything is purposeful, clean, and controlled. The color palette leans into dark graphite, muted blacks, and subtle metallic trims that make the space feel modern and sophisticated. Soft golden LED lighting is integrated into the ceiling lines, cabinet edges, and floor pathways, creating a warm glow that guides your eyes through the layout. It's not flashy. It's a premium atmosphere, like walking into a high-end executive office where every detail was planned by an architect who hates clutter. The lounge feels compact but perfectly engineered. A streamlined sofa runs along one wall, upholstered in premium leather with firm, supportive cushioning that's built for long travel days. It's the kind of seating that keeps its shape, doesn't sag, and still feels comfortable hours later. In front of it, a slim floating table appears almost weightless, perfect for a laptop, a quiet dinner, or a quick strategy meeting if this is the kind of life you live. Storage is everywhere but never obvious, panels that sit flush, compartments that open smoothly, drawers that disappear into the walls. The space stays visually calm because nothing is begging for attention. Move forward and the cockpit becomes the heart of the machine. The Mercedes influence is clear, a driver's position that feels elevated and commanding, surrounded by digital screens and controls that are designed to be understood instantly. Navigation, climate, suspension settings, vehicle diagnostics, it all feels integrated, like a system that expects you to make decisions confidently. You're not just driving a motorhome, you're managing a moving ecosystem. Even the sound insulation feels intentional, as if the designers wanted the interior to stay quiet and stable no matter what chaos is outside. The sleeping and private areas follow the same philosophy, compact, efficient, quietly luxurious. Soft ambient lighting frames the bed, and the finishes stay consistent, smooth textures, muted tones, and clean edges. Even the bathroom area feels engineered rather than decorative, with practical surfaces that still look premium and high-end. This motorhome earns number 3 because it delivers capability wrapped in serious luxury. It is perfect for someone who wants freedom without fragility, someone who wants to travel far, stay safe, and never feel dependent on anyone. What holds it back from the top is that it's intentionally restrained. It's luxury with discipline, not luxury with emotion. At number 2, the experience shifts into a different world. This is where luxury becomes expressive, not restrained. The Rolls-Royce inspired motorhome doesn't arrive like a machine built for battle. It arrives like a moving palace. The tall, upright front profile and refined body lines give it a presence that feels almost ceremonial. It doesn't need aggression. It doesn't need sharp edges. It carries itself like something that belongs in front of a private estate, not in a campground. The interior is where it truly separates itself. As you step in, the space opens up with a calm confidence that feels residential. Soft grays, warm creams, and polished metallic accents create a mood of timeless elegance. Large windows flood the interior with natural light, making it feel airy and expensive. This isn't a motorhome you simply travel in. It's a place you could live in for months and never feel like you're sacrificing comfort. The living area is built for relaxation and hosting. Seating is wide, plush, and inviting, more like luxury lounge furniture than vehicle seating. The cushions feel deep, the upholstery looks tailored, and the arrangement encourages conversation. Lighting here is layered, soft strips that wash the walls, subtle overhead illumination, and warm accent lights that create depth. It feels like a penthouse living room at dusk, where everything looks calm and expensive. The materials tell the Rolls-Royce story without needing a badge. Wood veneers feel real and refined, metal trims look brushed and premium, and the overall finish is clean, smooth, and confident. The design doesn't chase trends. It feels timeless. The kitchen blends seamlessly into the space, with concealed appliances and cabinetry that stays flush so the room never feels crowded. Countertops look like something you'd see in a luxury residence, smooth, elegant, and durable. Storage is intelligent, and everything is placed where it makes sense. You can imagine preparing coffee here in the morning while the world outside is still silent. The bedroom feels like a luxury suite. The bed is positioned for comfort and privacy, surrounded by soft ambient lighting that makes the space feel warm and calm. Textures are softer than number 3, and the vibe is more inviting than tactical. The bathroom is shockingly residential, proper lighting, high-quality fixtures, and a sense of space that most motorhomes don't achieve. It feels like it was designed by someone who refused compromises. This motorhome earns number 2 because it delivers elegance, comfort, and presence at a level that feels truly elite. What keeps it from number 1 is that it stays rooted in tradition. It perfects luxury as we know it, but it doesn't completely redefine what a motorhome can be. And now we reach number 1, the motorhome that breaks the rules. This Ferrari-inspired ultra-luxury performance motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a declaration. From the outside, it looks like a supercar concept transformed into a living space. The body is sleek, aerodynamic, and sculpted, with flowing lines and aggressive confidence that clearly echo Ferrari's performance DNA. The stance is low and wide, and everything about its proportions feels intentional. It doesn't look like a bus or a typical RV. It looks like something designed in a secret studio where engineers and designers compete to create the most dramatic silhouette possible. Step inside, and it feels almost unreal, like entering a private jet fused with a hypercar cockpit. Materials are modern and bold: premium leather, carbon-inspired textures, brushed metals, and lighting that feels engineered rather than decorative. Every surface is precise, every line is clean, and nothing feels accidental. This interior doesn't try to look cozy. It tries to look powerful, exclusive, and ahead of its time. The living area is sleek and minimal. Seating is sculpted, more like high-end performance seating than soft lounge couches, designed to support the body while still offering comfort for long rides. Lighting is sharp and futuristic, highlighting contours and architecture rather than softening the space. The vibe is energetic. It feels like a place built for people who love motion, who love speed, who love the feeling of being one step ahead of everyone else. The control systems feel like they belong in a performance machine. Digital interfaces are clean, responsive, and seamlessly integrated into the design. This motorhome doesn't separate driving from living. It blends them into one unified experience. Even the way storage is designed feels like a supercar, hidden, tight, efficient, and perfectly placed. The kitchen and functional areas follow the same philosophy: high-end, minimal, and designed to stay visually clean at all times. The private spaces continue the same design language. The bedroom is refined and minimal, more like a luxury capsule than a traditional hotel room. The lighting is warm but controlled, and the materials stay premium and modern. The bathroom feels like a boutique luxury space with clean lines, premium fixtures, and a strong sense of design identity. Everything about this motorhome feels like it was built for someone who values aesthetics and performance equally. What makes this Ferrari-inspired motorhome number 1 is not just luxury and not just performance. It's identity. Number 3 gave us capability and discipline. Number 2 gave us timeless elegance. But number 1 delivers something rare, a motorhome that feels alive, like it has a personality. It doesn't feel like a house on wheels. It feels like a moving statement, fast, bold, confident, uncompromising. It's not for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's built for the few who want the world to know that even their home has a performance mindset. Now the question is simple: if you could choose only one, which motorhome would you take? Number 3, number 2, or number 1? Drop your pick in the comments, and if luxury on wheels is your world, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next video is even crazier.